Hello guys, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. My name is Krishnara and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to do register level coding for Arduino Uno board. So let's begin. So first I will explain you about the Arduino ports. So you can see there are three ports on Arduino Uno board: port D, port B and port C. Port D has 8 pins starting from PD0 to PD7. Port B has 6 pins starting from PB0 to PB5. Port C has 6 pins starting from PC0 to PC5. Yeah, so let me tell you the difference between register level coding and Arduino function based coding. Arduino function means you have seen like pin mode and digital read, analog read, digital write, analog write, that kind of function you have seen in my previous video. If you have not seen the function level coding, you can watch my previous video. I will add a link in the description below. So if you write any program using the Arduino function, let's say pin mode 13 output or pin mode 12 output, then that program will actually call to that particular library to whom that function belongs, and it will take long time to execute your program. But if you write register level coding, your program will become 64 times faster than as compared to Arduino function based coding. So for doing the register level coding, there are three registers available on the Arduino. First register is DDR. DDR means data direction register, and if you want to declare any pin as an input or as output, then you have to use this DDR register. The next register is port register. If you want to make any pin as high or low, then you will be using this port register. The third thing is pin. So if you want to read any pins, then you will be using this pin register. So today I will be using port D register, and I will connect 8 LED on this port D pins, and we will write a very simple program to blink LED. So let me switch to the Tinkercad. I will be using this Tinkercad for simulation. I will just take Arduino board from here, and I will be using port D. So on port D there are 8 pins starting from 0 to 7. We need 8 LED. So let's quickly take 8 LED from here, from the component area. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's take one register also, and let's give the value 300 ohm. Let's connect ohm. Yeah. Now let's connect all of the negative legs to this register. All LED I will connect to this register. So cathode I will connect to this. Yes, so I'm just connecting to this. This one also I will connect to this negative leg also I will connect to this. So all negative leg of LED I will just connect to this register. Then I will do ground. One more and one more left. All are connected now. Now let's do ground. So this is connected to ground now. Now every terminal will connect to this 0, 1, 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5, then 6. One more pin left, let's say 7. So if you will be using Arduino built-in function, then how you will be declaring the pins? You will be writing pin mode 0 output, pin mode 1 output, pin mode 2 output, pin mode 3 output. Okay, but here what we will do, we will write a one line program, and all port D will become as an output. So because we'll be using DDR register for this. So connection is done. Let's write a program for this. And before writing the program, I'll explain you one thing. So here, this is the port D register. Port D pins 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 pins. I'm going to use all pins together. So for output, we have to make all pins as high. So for high, what is the value? We have to write the hexadecimal value of this. So all pin we have to make it 1, because I'm going to connect, I have already connected 8 LEDs, and all LEDs are going to be output. So what is the hex value of this? It is 0x F and again F. So 0xFF. So this value we have to write in our program. Now let's code. So first select the text from here. I will do continue. I will first select all and I will delete all the things. Then void setup. This is the first function of Arduino. And then DDR register. DDRD. We are using D port. So we have to write DDRD equal to 0xFF. All pin we have declared in one line only. But if you will be using, in that case, as I told you, you have to write 8 different lines. 8 lines you have to write. Pin mode 0 output, 1 output, 2 output, like that. Let's write while loop. So in one line I have done this programming, and let's write here. So port D, only you have to write one time, port D equal to 0xFF. All pin will become high. Let's put a delay of 1 second. Again port D equal to 0x00, and then delay of 1 second, and that's it. In 5 lines our program is done for blinking 8 LEDs. So here I am using 8 pins of Arduino Uno board, and I have written only 5 lines program, so you can see the program length will become very less. Now let's simulate and let's see how it is working. Here you can see, guys, for 1 second all LEDs are high, and for another 1 second all LEDs are low. So in my next video I will explain you how to use individual pins of Arduino Uno. Hope you like this video. Please hit a like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.